Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video on stacks, which has been very, very bullish in the last couple of days. It was also on my watch list. I was looking at it. I did not enter a trade because I thought the market circumstances were a bit weird. I missed this breakout. Just I didn't see it, which is my bad. But overall, stacks is still bullish. So I just wanted to cover it. Wanted to tell you what you need to know, wanted to tell you some useful things as well, because you could have seen this coming. I mean, stacks was very bullish over the last couple of days. You could have seen that. Obviously, there's some sort of a narrative, some sort of a hype with Bitcoin related coins, so ordinals, BRC20, but it also means that coins like STX and RIF, here you can see, are bullish because they're related to Bitcoin. So yeah, fundamentally and technically you could have seen this coming, and I'll tell you why. It's a bit weird for me to say that because, like I said, I did not enter, but it was pretty clear in hindsight. All right. So yeah, let's get started. So the second thing, how you technically could have seen this coming, is that usually if a crypto makes a top, like right here, which is called a local high because it's locally it's the highest point, and it drops down and then forms another bullish market structure, which STX definitely did right here. You can see the EMAs are curving up and we're making higher lows and higher highs. If from that bullish market structure it gets back up to the local top, which it did right here, usually it breaks out above. At least in the last few weeks, that has been the case. All right, so keep that in mind. If it retests the local high with an uptrend, so not that it's a consolidation, but an uptrend, usually it will break through. And for stacks right now, I mean, stacks historically is a quite, and some people are not going to like me saying that, but it's the truth. Stacks historically is quite manipulated as well. Like if you look at the volume right now, I wouldn't want to bet, but I would say that there's quite a lot of volume coming from, Upbit, UEE, SuperX, BitDump, which are just historically exchanges that if a lot of volume comes from there, it's usually manipulated. But it doesn't matter that much because, like I said, I mean, there's fundamentals behind the price as well. So now, what is the situation for stacks? If you go to the daily time frame where, that's one range. If you go to the daily time frame, what you'll see is that there's a minor level which we are at right now. Here you can, it's kind of this level, right? So if I would have to draw it, it would be this. There's this minor level right here, but the real price target for stacks right here is 1.5 and 1.55. There's the 1.618 of a very strong Fibonacci level. 1.5 is a big psychological level, so that's the level we want to see. But whether it's likely to get there or not is a difficult question. Stacks itself, if you look at the open interest, that's actually still relatively bullish. It's still going up until about an hour ago. All right, so there's a bit of a crack right there. There's a bit of a crack in the bullish momentum. So I would say, I'll tell you what I expect and I'll tell you to look at. If you look at stacks right now, let me quickly check some things if we have a Fibonacci or not. No, we don't. Look, stacks right now is falling, and I think it will test support levels. So the main support level right now basically ranges all the way from like 1.35 all the way down to 1.25. But let's keep it at 1.3, 1.25. That's our main support level. That's the main level we broke above earlier today. All right. So what will happen today is that stacks will, after breaking above that, it will test that level. If stacks is able to hold that level, and if Bitcoin remains relatively bullish, which needs to happen as well, so Bitcoin needs to get up above 43,000, etc. But if that happens, so if stacks hold support and Bitcoin stays relatively bullish, I see absolutely no reason why stacks would not get up to 1.5 or 1.55, and potentially afterwards even higher, up to 1.75, 1.85. So yeah, this is what I expect. This seems most likely, even though the price is falling down a bit right now and even though it's manipulated. I'd say this is most likely. Personally, I wouldn't trade it. It seems too risky to me because there's also a chance in these market circumstances that Bitcoin will just start falling. And if Bitcoin starts falling, then all of a sudden stacks breaks down below its main support at 1.25 and then it is over. That's a major bearish breakout and it will just drop back down. So that's what you need to know. So yes, it could drop down and it could go up. It depends a lot on how it reacts to 1.3 and 1.25. And it seems most likely to me at this moment that it will continue going up. those are my thoughts. That's what you'll have to work with or not. But if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And there you can also find out more about my premium and Signal group. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.